What's going on, guys? I'm out here in Seattle, Washington on my trip, and I'm not filming on this trip except for this one clip right now. But basically what you're about to watch is my bike check video that I made right before I left, and I hope you enjoy that. Merry Christmas to all of you, and I'll see you when I get back. Peace.
What's going on, guys? So today I am out here at Wheel Park, and you might have already seen the vlog from today. It's probably not the greatest. I don't know, I haven't finished it yet. But this video, if you read the title, which I'm pretty sure you have, is a bike check. So I'm gonna try to do this in just one take, one straight clip, not a lot of editing, because I'm kind of lazy like that. So what we have here is my bike. It is, I don't want to say new, but it's not that old yet. It's only like a year old maybe, something like that. Like yeah, whatever it is. So I started with a 2016 We the People Reason BMX bike, which I got towards the end of 2015, early 2016. We're halfway through 2016 now, and I got the bike and I'm like, I'm just gonna make this thing my own. It's gonna be fun, and yeah. So I'm like, I'm gonna make it my own, and we're gonna work on customizing it and adding parts to it. So the very first thing that I added is the back wheel. We've got an Animal, I'm pretty sure it's the RS double wall rim, which I got in blue to match my color scheme of blue chrome, because my original frame went blue to chrome fade. Check that out on the Instagram. Link might be in the bio, might just be on the screen somewhere. Then I wanted it to be a full custom wheel. So what I did, I got some Dance Comp spokes, just stereotypical, which are actually kind of loose. And then a profile mini hub, because I've always been a fan of profile, and just sounds so good. Like, yeah. So I just love the sound of them. I've always rode profile since like this bike. It's only like, yeah, it's one of my favorite parts, honestly. Yeah. So moving to the frame, I got this frame after the dropouts of my We the People frame had like smashed in to the point where my wheel wouldn't come off easily, and I had to cut them off. So the frame is a BSD something. I don't actually know what the name of the frame is. I just know it's by BSD. I took off all the stickers and added pusher and shadow sticker and another pusher sticker. So yeah, the seat, we have a Deco seat. Yeah, that's how it's pronounced, Deco. I got it from Pusher BMX Shop, and it's attached to a Shadow Conspiracy chrome seat post that has two bracelets on it that you can't really see too well, but one of them's just a tiger print. The other one says Church of the Jacked Up, because why not? It's pretty cool. Then going back down the frame to the chain wheel, or chain stay, whatever it's called, you got Stolen Team 22 cranks and an S&M sprocket. That's pretty much all I know about the sprocket. Again, got that at Pusher. Got the Stolen cranks off of Dance Comp. And then we have the Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. If you couldn't tell, I'm kind of a Shadow fan, so that's why we have the Shadow half-link chain down here. And then attached to that, we have the Odyssey Tom Dugan metal platform pedals. They're honestly, I've only rode these for like, keep hearing stuff. I've only rode these for like a little while, and they're like my favorite pedal I've rode in my life. I like Odyssey for pedals. They're the only brand of pedals I've ever rode, actually, except for, I don't remember what the other brand was for, and I only rode those for like a month before they just broke on me and I gave up. So stick with that. And then the bottom bracket that you can't really see, but it's attached to here. My bottom bracket is a Profile 22mm bottom bracket, and again, it's sturdy. I love it. Been riding that stuff forever. The chain wheel has basically been the same for me since I started riding with a decent bike after my DK. So yeah. Moving towards the front. We have a Odyssey headset. It's the Odyssey you have chosen wisely, so it says that on here. And then it's attached to a Sunday stem. That's all I actually know about my stem, is that it's Sunday and it's a front load. I got it from my friend. Shout out Cody Jones. And then I have a Deco. That's what the seat is to. Compression bolt. It's got the thing for like your socket wrench instead of having to use a Allen wrench to undo it. And again, shout out Cody Jones, got that from him also. Then moving up a little bit more, we have the Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars, and they're an 8.5 inch rise, which again, I love these bars. I've been riding these as long as I can remember, with them being attached to the Colt Vans grips, and I have ODI metal bar ends. I used to have Shadow, but I broke them and they wouldn't stay in, so I took the ODI ones that I had lying around and put them in. Then the front wheel, again, same deal as the back. I wanted a custom wheel, and I wanted the color scheme to match, but I didn't want to pay the money to get profile front hub. So, fight your kids. So what we did is we have the Animal RS double-walled rim, again in blue, matches the back perfectly, with a Shadow Raptor front hub in chrome with female front axle, because female axles, they're super convenient because it's easy to get them on and off, and it's, if you break an axle, the axle is your bolts. So you break an axle, you go to your local hardware store, get new bolts, you're good to ride again. Then the tires, almost forgot about those. On the front we have a Donnie Squeak in blue. All I know about that. In the back we have a Shadow Conspiracy tire of some sort. That's a blue wall tire, as you can see. Let's see. Oh yeah, and then we have up on the front wheel, kinda can see that, a hubcap. It's just a cool little custom thimble type thing I got off Dance Comp, and I thought they were cool. They were like $5. Lost the one for the back. And then on this side, just gonna do this because I don't want to turn the entire bike around. We have I have one on the back too, a Deco sleeve peg, so you can like take off this chunk and then put on a new one over the metal, and then your pegs are gonna last you longer, they're cheaper, plastic slides easier without wax, and you're not necessarily gonna be destroying people's property, so they're a little less likely to kick you out. This has been very quick, to the point stuff. Then I'm gonna like show the bike more in a little bit, and yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below and follow me at Instagram at 2fastforyou003, and yeah, peace.